Hi children. Hi. How are you all? How are you all? I hope you all are very well and fine there. Okay. Do you know about me? Do you know about me? Okay. First of all, let us introduce myself. This is Banu. I teach Hindi subject. I am your Hindi teacher. Okay. What are you learned in last class? What are you learned in last class? Do you remember? Do you remember? Okay, you all are learned in last class. Which letter words? Which letter words? Gha, cha, cha and ja. Okay? Which letters? Gha, cha, cha, ja. Okay? Okay, did you get? Those letter words did you get? Did you get? Okay. Today I will teach about the next letter words. What is the next letter? What is the next letter? Ja after jha. Okay, ja after jha. Before I start the class, I ask some questions on last class. Okay? On last class only. Some words. Okay, all are close your books. Close your books. May I start? May I start? Okay. First question is, what is the meaning of ghada in English? Ghada meaning in English? Pot. Okay? Pot. Next, ghar means house. Ghar means house. Next, ghadi means ghadi, clock. Okay? Next, cha letter words. Sorry, cha letter. Cha letter words. Chammach, spoon, chatai, mat, chameli, jasmine. Okay, chameli, jasmine. Chhatari, umbrella, chhadi, hand stick, chalni, sieve. Okay, chalni, sieve. Next one is ja. Ja letter words. Jahaz, ship, jal, water, jug, universe. Okay. Next, what is the next letter? What is the next letter? Jha. Okay, what is the next letter? Jha. Jha. This letter pronunciation is jha. Okay, jha. All are open your CWs. First of all, mention the date and day and write with neat handwriting. What is the next letter? Jha. What is the first word in jha letter? Jhash. What? Jhash. How many letters are there? How many letters are there? Jha plus sha. Okay? Jha plus sha. 2 letters are there. Okay? 1, 2. Jhash. Jhash means in English fish. Fish. F-I-S-H. Fish. Next one is jhala. Next one is jhala. In this word, how many letters are there? In this word, how many letters are there? Jha plus la. Okay? Jhala. Jhala means A shower of rain. A shower of rain. Okay, a shower of rain. Okay, rain means వర్షం. వర్షపు యొక్క చిన్న నీటి బిందువుని షవర్ ఆఫ్ రైన్ అంటారు. ఓకేనా? నెక్స్ట్, వాట్ ఈస్ ద థర్డ్ వన్ ఇన్ దిస్ లెటర్? झरना. झरना. How many letters are there in this word? In this word? 1, 2, 3. Jha plus ra plus na. Okay, झरना. 3 letters are there. Okay, 3 letters. Jha plus ra plus na. झरना. झरना means what? Waterfall. What? Waterfall. Okay. Jha. Okay, this letter pronunciation is jha. In this letter 3 words are there. Okay, jha after which letter? Ini. Okay, ini. There are no words in ini letter. Okay, ini after ta. Okay, ini after ta. This letter pronunciation is ta. In this letter also 3 words are there. Okay, what is the first word? Tomato. What is the first word? Tomato. This word is, I divided into like this. What is the first letter? Ta plus, what is the second letter? Ma. Tama. What is the next letter? Ta plus ra. Okay, tomato. Tomato means in English tomato. Okay, tomato. Tomato means in English tomato. What is the next one? Takhna. Takhna. This word also I divided into like this. Ta plus, first letter is what? Ta plus, second letter kha plus. All listen carefully first of all. Kha plus na. Takhna. Takhna means in English ankle joint. Ankle joint. ఓకేనా? మన కాళ్ళ దగ్గర జాయింట్ ఉంటుంది కదా, అది క్రింద కాలి మడమకి ఇక్కడ జాయింట్ ఉంటుంది కదా, అది మాట యాంకిల్ జాయింట్. నెక్స్ట్ టకా. వాట్ ఈస్ ద థర్డ్ వర్డ్? టకా. దిస్ వర్డ్ ఆల్సో డివైడెడ్ ఇంటూ లైక్ దిస్. టా ప్లస్ కా. వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఫస్ట్ లెటర్? టా and second one is ka. Taka. Taka means in English 1 rupee coin. Okay, 1 rupee coin. Okay, 1 rupee coin. What is the next letter? What is the next letter? Jha. Jha after ini. Ini after ta. Next tha. Okay, what is the next one? Tha. This letter pronunciation is tha. Okay, in this letter 3 words are there. What is the first word? Thatera. What is the first word? Thatera. This word is, I divided into like this. What is the first letter? Tha plus, what is the next letter? The plus, what is the next letter? Ra. Thatera. Thatera means tinker. Okay, tinker. Thatera means tinker. Next one is thappa. What is the next one? Thappa. This word is also I divided into letter to letter like this. The first letter is tha. Next one is pa. Aki matra. Thappa. Thappa means impression. Thappa means impression. 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 Last one is Titolia. What is the last one? Titolia. Titolia means joker. Okay, Titolia means joker. T plus Tho plus Li plus Ya. Okay, Titolia. Titolia means joker. Do you know joker? Do you know joker? Okay. 3 letters are completed. Okay, today enough. Okay, all are look at the board and say with me. All are look at the board. Don't write. Stop writing. First of all, say with me one time. What is this letter? Jha. What is this letter? What is this letter? Jha. Okay. First word is jhash. Jha plus sha. First letter is jha and second one is sha. Jhash. Jhat means in English fish. Okay, fish means machli. Machli also fish. You know, fish. Jhala. Chapa. Jhala. Jha plus la. Jhala. A shower of rain. వర్షం పడుతున్నప్పుడు ఎప్పుడైనా చూసారా? పడుతున్నప్పుడు చిన్న చిన్న డ్రాప్స్ చినుకులు పడతాయి కదా, ఆ చినుకిని ఝలా అని అంటాం అన్నమాట. షవర్ ఆఫ్ రైన్. ఝర్నా. ఝా ప్లస్ రా ప్లస్ నా. ఝర్నా. ఝర్నా మీన్స్ వాటర్ ఫాల్. ఓకే, వాటర్ ఫాల్. ఎప్పుడైనా వాటర్ ఫాల్స్ చూసారా మీరు? వాటర్ ఫాల్స్ పైనుంచి అలా పడుతూ ఉంటుంది కదా వాటర్, అని వాటర్ ఫాల్ అంటారు. Tomato. Next, what is the next letter? Ta. Only ta. Tomato. Ta plus ma plus ta plus ra. Tomato. Tomato means in English tomato. Okay. Next, takhna. Ta plus kha plus na. Takhna. Ankle joint. Okay na? Ankle joint. Ankle అంటే మనకు తెలుసు కదా, ఆ జాయింట్ ని యాంకిల్ జాయింట్ అంటారు. టకా. Ta plus ka. Taka. Taka means 1 rupee coin. Okay, 1 rupee coin. Next, tha. What is the next letter? Tha. Thatera. Tha plus the plus ra. Okay, thatera. Thatera means tinker. Tinker. Thappa. Tha plus pa. Thappa. Thappa means impression. స్టాంప్ ఉంటుంది కదా, అది. నెక్స్ట్ ఠిఠోలియా. ఠీ ప్లస్ ఠో ప్లస్ లీ ప్లస్ యా. ఠిఠోలియా. ఠిఠోలియా మీన్స్ ఇన్ ఇంగ్లీష్ జోకర్. ఓకేనా? జోకర్. ఓకే, అలా సే విత్ మీ అగైన్. ఝష్ ఫిష్. ఝలా ఏ షవర్ ఆఫ్ రైన్. ఝర్నా వాటర్ ఫాల్. టమాటర్ టమాటో. తఖ్నా ankle joint. Taka 1 rupee coin. Thatera tinker. Thappa impression. Thitolia joker. Okay, Thitolia joker. All are open our textbooks. Page number 17. Open our textbook. Page number 17. Okay. All are one time. Look here. What is this letter? What is this letter? Jha. Okay. What is this letter? Jha. In this letter, 3 words are there. Okay. What is the first word? Jhash. Jhash means fish. Next, jhala. Jhala means a shower of rain. Okay. Shower of rain. Jharna. Okay, jharna means waterfall. Okay, పైన చూడండి, పైన నుంచి అలా వాటర్ పడుతూ ఉంటుంది, దాన్ని ఝరనా అంటారు మాట హిందీలో, వాటర్ ఫాల్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద నెక్స్ట్ లెటర్? Ta. Next page. Ta. In this letter also 3 words are there. What is the first word? Tomato. Tomato. Next, takhna. Takhna means ankle joint. Okay, ankle joint, not ankle. Ankle joint. Okay. Next, taka. Taka means what? Taka means 1 rupee coin. Okay, 1 rupee coin. What is the next letter? Tha. Okay, what is the next letter? Tha. In this letter also 3 words are there. What is the first one? Thatera. Thatera means tinker. Okay na? Thatera means tinker, not potter. Okay, బిందెలు ఉంటాయి కదా, బిందెలు అవి సొట్టలు పడుతూ ఉంటే సరి చేస్తూ ఉంటారు కదా, వాళ్ళని టింకర్ అంటారు. ఓకేనా? నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఈజ్ ఠప్పా. ఓకే, ఠప్పా. ఠప్పా మీన్స్ ఇంప్రెషన్, స్టాంప్. ఓకేనా? స్టాంప్. Next one is Titolia. Titolia. Titolia means joker. Okay, Titolia means joker. Okay, all are open your diaries. Open your diaries. Mention the Hindi word in your diaries. Read and write. झा, टा, था. Letter words. Letters words. One time. Okay. One time. Do you understand? Do you understand? All are write with neat handwriting in HW and in CW also. Okay. Improve your handwriting. Okay. One time listen to me. One time listen to me. If you all are got those meanings, how many meanings are there? 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 meanings are there. If 9 meanings are you got properly, then you all are write without scene. Okay, without scene in your rough books or on your slates. Anyone? No problem. But without scene is very very important in my class. When you all are got those words properly, then only. Okay, you not got properly, you all are read again and again. No problem. If they are got properly, then you will write without scene on your books or on your slates. Anyone? No problem. Do you understand? Do you understand? I hope you all are understand my class. Am I right? Am I right? Okay, today my class is over. Stay home, stay safe.